Hello students, today we will study unit number 2 AC circuits, in which we will study pure resistive circuits. So in which we will understand that why current is in phase with potential and why power factor value of purely resistive circuit is unity, or you can say 1. So I hope you are ready with your pen and paper. So without wasting much time, let us start this video. Okay. So first, pure resistive circuit means what? That it is such type of circuit in which only and only resistor is used. As for example, over here I will draw one resistor whose resistance is R, which is connected with one alternating source, say V, having the equation of Vm sine of omega t, in which Vm is known as maximum potential, or you can say voltage. Omega t is known as phase. Okay. Now this type of circuit is known as pure resistive circuit. Now you know very well that alternating quantity has 50 hertz frequency. That means what? That in a single second, direction of current is changed for 100 times. As for example, for some time current is flowing in this direction, for another time it will flow in that direction, after that it will flow in this direction, after that it will flow in that direction, and so on. That is known as alternating current. So for our easiness, we will assume or we will consider that for a particular time, direction of current is in clockwise. At a particular time, current is flowing in clockwise direction. Okay. Now after that, we will apply the Kirchhoff voltage law, which is KVL, and KVL is what? You know very well that summation of change in potentials around a closed loop is 0. So for that purpose, we have to consider one loop. So we will consider one loop in the direction of current, or you can consider in the opposite direction of the current. Then also your answer would be same. Okay. So we have considered one loop. Now we will apply KVL. So over here, loop direction is this, and current is flowing in that direction. That means right now it is one type of battery in which current is flowing in this direction, positive, negative, and loop direction is that. That means we are moving from negative to positive, so potential gain is there. So I will write for this, it is your plus V. Okay, then after that, if current is flowing in that direction in the resistor, and loop direction is also same. That means you know very well, when direction of current in the resistor and loop is same, then potential drop is there. So you have to write down the potential of resistor with negative sign, and potential of resistor is what? It is minus IR. Remaining is what? Nothing. So that is equals to 0. Now you can write V is equals to IR. Now I is equals to what? V by R. Okay. Now V is what? Vm sine omega t. So I will write I is equals to V is what? Vm sine of omega t divided by R. Now you know Ohm's law. V is equals to I R, or V is equals to small I. We are talking about alternating quantities, so small IR. Now over here Vm is present, so maximum potential is equals to what? Maximum current, and value of R is constant. And if you want to find out Vm by R, so it will be what? It will be your maximum current. So I will write I is equals to Im sine of omega t. So that is the equation of current for the case of pure resistive circuit. And voltage or potential equation is what? V is equals to Vm sine omega t. So now from both of these equation of current and potential, we can make one conclusion. Which one? That phase of current and phase of potential both are same. That means phase difference between current and potential is 0. Now phase difference, if you want to write, so I will write phase difference. It is given by mod of phase of potential minus phase of current. So phase of potential is how much? It is omega t, minus phase of current is how much? Omega t. So omega t get cancelled out. So that phase difference or phase, it is known as phi, which is equals to what? 0. So from this we can say one thing. Which one? That current is in phase with potential, or you can say voltage for pure resistive circuit. So that sentence is very much important. You have to remember which one. Current is in phase with potential for pure resistive circuit. That means phase of current and phase of potential both are same. That means potential difference is zero. So that same thing if I want to explain graphically, so I will draw one vector that will indicate what, supposing potential, that potential across what, across the resistance. Then the potential phase is this, current phase is also same, so in the same direction I will draw what, current, which is I. Now length of potential is greater than length of current. Why? Because you know very well which one, Ohm's law. V is equals to IR and I is equals to what, V by R. So supposing V is 10 and that is your 5, so I will be how much, I will be 2 and V will be how much, 10. So length of VR is greater than length of I. Okay, now same thing if I want to explain with waveform, so that we can draw the waveform, that is waveform. Okay, so that is your x-axis on which you will consider the time, that is your y-axis on which you will consider alternating quantities like voltage and current. So first of all I will draw that voltage curve with the help of one equation. V is equals to what, Vm sine of omega t, and then I will draw one another waveform for what, for current, which is I is equals to Im sine of omega t. Okay, now over here you can see that supposing that is your t is equals to 5 seconds. At t is equals to 5 seconds, you can see that voltage having maximum value and current having also maximum value. Similarly, suppose t equals to 10 seconds, voltage and current both having zero value. Supposing t at 15 seconds, voltage and current having negative, or you can say minimum values, that is your minus Im, that is your minus Vm, and supposing at t equals to 20 seconds, both having zero values. So from this diagram, conclusion is what, that current is in phase with potential, means what, that at a single time current and potential both will get maximum value at a single time. Current and potential will get minimum value at a single time. Current and potential will become zero. So that is the meaning of what, current is in phase with potential, or you can say phase of current and potential is same, or a phase difference between current and potential is zero. Now at the end of that we'll discuss about important quantity, which is power factor. Now you know very well power factor is indicated by cos phi. Now cos phi means what, phase difference, and over here for pure resistive circuit current is in phase with potential, so phase difference is what, zero. So we can say power factor for what, for pure resistive circuit is how much, cos 0 is what, 1 you can say, or you can say unity. So main thing you have to remember that sentence, that current is in phase with potential in the case of pure resistive circuit, and power factor for pure resistive circuit is unity. So now I would like to end this video. In the next video we will discuss about pure inductive circuits. So till then, read hard, work hard. Thank you very much.